To partition Azure SQL scale out, start by understanding the concept of sharding, which is a technique used to distribute data across multiple databases to improve scalability and performance. Azure SQL Database provides a built-in feature called Elastic Database Tools that enables you to shard your database. First, identify the shard key, which is the column that determines the distribution of data across the shards. This is typically a unique identifier such as customer ID or order ID. Next, create a shard map, which is a centralized repository that stores the mapping of shard keys to shard locations. Create a new Azure SQL database and configure the Shard Map Manager, which is the central component that manages the shard map. Then, create multiple shards, each of which is a separate Azure SQL database that contains a portion of the overall data. Use the Elastic Database Client library to connect to the Shard Map Manager and retrieve the shard location for a given shard key. This allows your application to route queries to the correct shard based on the shard key. To scale out, simply add more shards as needed, and update the shard map to reflect the new shard locations. This allows you to distribute the data and workload across multiple databases, improving performance and scalability. Best practices include using a consistent shard key, monitoring shard performance, and implementing data replication and backup strategies to ensure high availability and disaster recovery. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively partition Azure SQL scale out and achieve improved performance and scalability for your database applications.